Hey there, Mert. Thank you so much for taking the time today to come interview with us over here. Can you tell me a bit about yourself and what makes you a good fit for this role?
Great to be here. Thanks for having me over. My name's Mert, and I'm a software engineer from Turkey. I've got a passion for. So, I think I'd be a good fit for this role at Daily because of my experience in building scalable and efficient software systems. I've worked on projects that involve real-time communication and data processing, such as my internship at Amazon, where I designed a dynamic pairing schema for syncing promotion communications between online and offline retailers. I also worked on a search engine project at the University of Michigan, where I used information retrieval concepts like PageRank and TF-ID to index Wikipedia. I'm confident that my skills in building efficient algorithms and software systems will be an asset to Daily's enterprise WebRTC platform. How can I contribute to this role and help achieve Daily's goals?
How do you handle tight deadlines?
I'm a big believer in prioritizing tasks and managing my time efficiently to meet tight deadlines. During my internship at Amazon, I worked on a project that required automating and scaling competitive pricing for our products in near real time, which was a very tight deadline. I was able to deliver the project ahead of schedule and save the team $16 million in 2 years. When faced with tight deadlines, I break down the task into smaller, manageable chunks and focus on the most
Wow.
critical ones first. I also communicate closely with the team and stakeholders to ensure that everyone is aware of the timeline and any
Mhm.
potential roadblocks. And finally, I don't hesitate to ask for help when needed, whether it's from colleagues or online resources. What do you think are some of the most challenging aspects of this role at Daily?
Let me ask the questions. Could
Sorry
you
about
go ahead and invert a binary tree for me?
a binary tree question. Inverting a binary tree is actually a fairly straightforward data structure operation. It involves swapping the left and right child nodes of each node, and then reversing the left and right child pointers of each node. If we consider a binary tree node with value n and child nodes L and R, we would create a new node with the value R and make its left child node the old node L, and make its right child node the old node L, and make its right child node the old node on. Then, we would make the old node n's left child node the old node L, and its right child node the old node L. This operation is also known as a depth-first inversion. It's a key operation in many data structures and algorithms, especially for searching and manipulating trees. Was there a specific context or implementation in mind for inverting a binary tree?
Interesting. No, I think that's enough. Thank you so much. Do you have any questions for me and for this role?
No worries, it was a pleasure speaking with you. Yes, I do have a few questions for you in this role. Can you tell me more about the team I'd be working with and what a typical day-to-day would look like in this role? Also, what are some of the biggest challenges that the daily team is currently facing and how this role contributes to addressing them?
Good questions. I think I'll have to ask the real daily team for that one. But well, thank you for your time. We'll
That's
be in touch.
totally fair. I just wanted to get a sense of the context and expectations for the role, if it's not something you can share right now. I completely understand. It was great chatting with you, and I look forward to hearing from the daily team. Maybe I'll be seeing you soon.
All
Fair
right.
enough,
Take
I'll
care.
let the team.
Bye bye.
Bye. See you later.